This 2024 Jayco Jay Flight 267 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 26 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, refrigerator, water heater, microwave, smoke detector, air conditioning, awning, spare tire kit, oven, external shower, LP detector, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Jayco Jay Flight 267 BHS is 5,850 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.